and see it afar. For the Father waits over the way to prepare us a dwelling place in the sweet by and by. We shall meet on that beautiful shore.
Eyes have not seen, ears have not heard, and neither hath it entered into the heart of man what God has in store for his children.
We shall